Bhutan, these people have lost their fear. These people have lost the fear that the power of this country is led by the people of the nation, not by their so-called billionaires who on their nation the way they're dancing. We the students, we are the ones who are worried about this country. The people, their sons, they have ample of money, they're leaving the country and they're enjoying in the foreign. But we the people of India, we are staying in this nation. We want this nation to work. These people have led this nation under the sudden the conduct, whatever it's called. Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi, it's a shame. He has still had a shame that this so-called minister will resign from his post. These people who led this country function properly, or we are the people coming upcoming elections. These people, this government should know its post. Whenever and this is my advice to all of the people, especially in functioning democracy. I am just a political science student, I am just saying, in this functioning democracy, if any party, doesn't mean Congress, Bharatiya Janata Party, any party, you give them access power, they will ruin you. They will give before Indira Gandhi did the same thing. Today, Bharatiya Janata Party is the same thing. They are your fundamental rights. The constitution is not even letting this so-called CCI not even want to listen what's going on in this nation. This is a shame for this nation, and we the youth are staying here for this protest, for the failure of the democracy, and let all of us celebrate this.
साउंड नहीं है, कोई माइक नहीं है, लेकिन ये हमारी ताकत है कि आवाज दिल्ली तक पहुंच रही है। हमें ना माइक चाहिए, ना मैदान चाहिए, हमें सिर्फ जनता का क्या चाहिए? सहयोग। और आप सभी के सामने चंद पंक्तियां पेश कर रहा हूं, इसी माहौल की, इसी भाव की। आप सभी का ध्यान चाहूंगा 2 मिनट के लिए कि ये कैसा लोकतंत्र है जहां पे दबाई जा रही जनता की आवाज है। ये कैसा लोकतंत्र है जहां पे दबाई जा रही जनता की आवाज है और देश के लिए बोलना इस देश में मान लिया जाता पाप है। महीने भर से देश के युवा जंतर मंतर से कर रहे फरियाद हैं। महीने भर से देश के युवा जंतर मंतर से कर रहे फरियाद हैं, लेकिन ये बेकार सरकार हमारी धरकर बैठी हाथ है। क्यों ना बोले हम, क्यों ना बोले हम, क्या नहीं भारत आजाद है? क्यों ना बोले हम, क्या नहीं भारत आजाद है? बोलो बोलो, क्योंकि लब अब आजाद है। बोलो बोलो, लब अब आजाद है। और जो मंत्री, ये लाइनें आप मेरे साथ में दोहराएंगे,